Alright guys, we back again. Put in some positions last night. We saw a close in the lower wick zone of Friday's candle last week, so we took the short, and we got 3 positions in, and we're currently up 87 pips with all of those positions. We're going to play this down to the pivot point here. We'll reach target. We already locked some profit in for the week, just a short amount, just in case it reverses on us. But we're looking to carry this trade all the way down. We're at 90 pips now. We got up over 100 and some odd pips, but we're looking back for about 150 to 175 pips on this move. Hopefully we can get those for each position. I know that's a stretch, but hey, we're moving right now. We're at 90 pips again, 92 pips. So we're moving up. We've got bear volume stepped into the market last night. We got bear volume that got in last night, so we're actually looking for downside now. We're looking for these lows that were set yesterday or last night to be taken out. We're probably more than likely going to make it to this 120 level. Yeah, I'll keep y'all updated on this, man. I just want to let y'all know I put 3 positions in last night. I actually put in 4 on another pair. I put one in on another pair, and that one already cleared out and won 70 pips. So yeah, man, I'll be back to update you guys, keep you guys posted on what we got going here with the Wick zone. All right.